Hello everyone, welcome to RM India YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. The situation is not good all over the world. Coronavirus is spreading again. So I hope you all are keeping yourself safe. Stay home and stay safe. Today in this video I will show you what all we need to complete a single head. So this is the dummy head we have. This will help you to understand the whole procedure, that how we install or how the salon stylist, hairstylist install the lace wigs on their heads. So this is dummy head and this is two bundles. This is sew-in bundles. Sew-in bundles, or we can call it weft bundles, and then we need one closer and then one cap. So let me show you a cap. So this is the HD lace transparent cap. This is the lace, this portion is lace, and this is the stretchable part that helps to adjust the wig as per the customer requirement and as per the size. This is again the lace. So this HD transparent lace we use for blonde wigs or blonde lace closers, blonde lace frontals, like that. And then this we have brown lace. This is a brown lace, and we use this for black or brown hair bundles. This is again stretchable material, and this is the strip to adjust, and this is again the lace. So let me show you how to put this on the dummy head. This is how. Like this. We need a cap, and then this is the closer. This is a 6x7 closer. 6x7 closer. Okay, so let me turn this to the side. This is the portion where we install the closer. I'll just give you an idea that what all we need to complete a single head. And this is the partition line. Maybe I can use so let me use this comb. Try to use the white comb whenever you comb the natural Indian hair. So this is the partition line, you can see. Okay, so that's how. And this is the extension. This is a weft sew-in extensions. This is closed and this is open. I'll show you. This is double fold. You can see if we open this, it's quite long. I'll just keep it for now like this, because so like this we have to the stylist, hairstylist install the extensions on their head, and like this minimum 2 bundles we need to complete the single head. You can see here. This is the weft I'm talking about, because I opened the weft just now, so that's why it is a little bit sticking to itself. Once we comb it, and then it will be fine. So that's all for this video. Thank you.